You know, in Asia, we say food is medicine. So are you ready to be a rock star?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
See the whisk of smoke? Yeah.
Wow.
We're going to add 3 rounds of oil, and that is avocado oil. Hi, I'm Rockstar Eleanor Ho, and I'm here today with Dr. Prayam Hakimi. I think I got that right. It actually sounds Japanese, but he's Persian, and I love the fact that he comes from a traditional medicine background, but he's now integrative, functional, and also a homeopathic field.
And from what I see, what you have chosen has a combination of prebiotics and probiotics.
Very interesting to talk to him because we share a lot of the same philosophies about eating hot foods because we have a hot body. Right. I was reading about yin and yang, and the whole thing is that even though we keep eating hot things in the summer, it helps us to cool down. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So now I can include that in my cooking class and tell people, you know what, you need hot food.
Exactly.
So
I can't wait, Eleanor.
Let's try it.
Yeah, do you mind?
I love interacting with this doctor because it's all the things that I actually believe in. Easy, healthy cooking.